Welcome to a video by Abron. These are the helical springs or the Slinky. They are to understand the waves which are generated and they are transferred like this. If you can just see this, it is swinging and it is this power is coming to the bottom and then going back. You can again move a little, shift it and see the wave is coming up and down. This the same is used in the sound. And same is you can see if you throw the water in a stone in the water, that goes. Here also you can see the vibrations going from one side to the another side, one side to another side, and you can see the waves are compression and relaxation is just transferring from one section to another section. Also this you can see the same thing you can understand in this, and you can see from right to the left and left to the right, whichever is lower it will keep on vibrating and oscillating. Similarly we have the bigger one. This one is 50 mm by 70 mm 65, and this is 140 150, and this is about 75 mm. Same you can understand this. Here you can see the longer waves. Similarly you can see waves are coming going from one section to another section. Similarly you can see, and then you can flexibility is more because of the bigger size, so you can see the waves, and similarly you can understand this because they are longer. If you have to hold it thoroughly by both the hands, then only you can, otherwise this will go to the flip. See this, waves are being generated. You can slow this, slowly make a very little jerk, it goes and comes back automatically. Even if you could keep it on table, move it like this, you can see the wave is oscillating from one end to the another end. So these waves are coming back and going. The power is generated and the power is transferred from one section to another section. Similarly I can just put it like this and see another wave. I can understand this. I can just push. See this. The wave from one power is, I am just pushing here, but it is being transferred and back to this. See this. Coming, going. It is still oscillating. See this. You can understand the waves which you can see in the water also. These are the waves. And see the videos. We have all the scientific instruments, all the laboratory instruments, all physics instruments. This is our WhatsApp number 99922222049, and another is 94160200018. Email is abron01@gmail.com and info@abronexports.com. Website is abronexports.com. Firm name is Abron Exports. Please visit the website. We have all the instruments, all the departments, physics, chemistry, biology, all research, and toys are also with us. Thank you.